The Roborock Qrevo Plus impresses with advanced cleaning capabilities, making it a standout in the world of robotic vacuums. If you're interested in this product, you'll find the link in the description. Now let's dive into its pros. One of its key features is its Mop Extend function, allowing it to reach deeper into edges and corners for a more thorough clean. Additionally, the device takes convenience to the next level with its automated mop wash, clean, and dry system, ensuring the mop remains hygienic and ready for use. The self-emptying function adds another layer of ease, significantly reducing manual intervention. These innovative features make the Qrevo Plus a strong choice for households seeking efficient and low-maintenance cleaning.